The T-Mobile Sync Up Kids Watch 2 is a flagship smartwatch designed specifically for children's safety and communication. This advanced device combines cutting-edge technology with parent-friendly controls to give families peace of mind. The watch's real-time GPS tracking system allows parents to monitor their child's location with remarkable accuracy. You can set up geofence safety zones around important locations like home and school, receiving instant notifications when your child arrives or leaves these areas. Communication features ensure your child can stay connected safely. The watch supports two-way calling and messaging, but only with contacts you approve. This means children can reach family members when needed while staying protected from unwanted communications. The SOS emergency button provides critical safety protection. When pressed and held, it immediately sends the child's exact location to all emergency contacts and can initiate an emergency call sequence. This feature has helped locate lost children within minutes in real-world situations. Beyond safety, the watch promotes healthy habits through comprehensive activity tracking. School mode minimizes distractions during class hours, while the built-in step counter, fitness challenges, and sleep monitoring encourage children to stay active and develop healthy routines. The T-Mobile Sync Up Kids Watch 2 delivers comprehensive safety, communication, and health benefits. With 85% of parents reporting increased peace of mind and children showing 30% more daily activity, this smartwatch successfully bridges the gap between safety and healthy development for modern families.